Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Students, in our last session we have started exercise 3.2, question number 8. In that we have seen till 11th. Now today we will see the remaining sums. See students, we are going to take only even numbers, okay, and odd number sums, and even number sums you have to solve by your own, okay. So see the 13 number, odd number sums. The first number is 8030, which is a 4-digit number, and the another number is 3285, and we have to subtract. First of all, we will write their places. This is ones place, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousands place. Now see at ones place. Here in the first number 8030, at ones place 0 is there, and in another number 3285, in this number at ones place 5 is there, okay. So 0 ones minus 5 ones. Here 0 is there and here 5 is there. 0 minus 5, we can't do the subtraction because 0 is smaller than 5. So what we will do? Yes, just we will cut this 0 and write 0 as it is at the top, okay. Then we will go to the neighbor. Now who is the neighbor of ones? Tens is the neighbor of ones. Now this tens is having 3, so we will take one borrow from this tens. So just cut this 3 minus 1, if we will do, here 2 will remain, okay, and then we will take one borrow from the tens. Now see the ones place. Here 10 is there and here 5 is there. Now do the subtraction. 10 ones minus 5 ones. 10 minus 5. After 5, count your fingers till 5. 10 minus 5, 5. So at ones place we will write 5. See the tens place now. Now here at tens place 2 is there, and here in the second number at tens place 8 is there. 2 minus 8. Can we do 2 minus 8? No. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 8. So then what we will do? Just we will cut this 2 and we will write this 2 as it is. Okay. Then we will go to the hundreds place. Okay. Because 100 is a neighbor of tens. So see the hundreds place. We will go to the neighbor. But see here at hundreds place, here 0 is there. Okay. Here 0 is there. So again we will go to the next neighbor. Okay, so now this neighbor is having 8. This neighbor is having 8. So we will cut this 8 and 8 minus 1, 7. And then we will take one borrow from this thousands place. Here 10 will become. Okay, now from this 10 we will take one borrow. Okay, he will give 1 to the tens place. So 10 minus 1, just cut this 10. 10 minus 1, 9, and this 2 will become 12 because he give 1 borrow to the 10. Okay, tens place. Now see the tens place. Here 12 is there and here 8 is there. 12 minus 8. Do the subtraction. After 8, count your fingers till 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. So at tens place we will write 4. Okay. Then see the hundreds place column. Here 9 hundreds are there and here 2 hundreds are there. So 9 minus 2. Count your fingers after 2 till 9. Okay. After 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 2 if we will do, we will get 7. So at hundreds place we will write 7. Okay. Now which one is remaining? This thousands place is remaining. At thousands place, here 7 is there and here 3 is there. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. So we will write 4 at thousands place. So 8030 minus 3285 is equal to 4745. Then we will see the next odd number sum. 15th one. The first number is 5000 and the another number is 1892. Okay, first of all we'll write their places. This is ones place, this is tens, this is hundred and this is thousands place. Now see, at ones place here 0 is there and here 2 is there. Okay, 0 minus 2 we can't do because 0 is smaller than 2. So we'll go to the neighbor. This neighbor tens is having 0. So again we will go to the next neighbor. Who is next neighbor of tens? 100 is neighbor of tens. But see carefully, at hundreds place here also 0 is there. So again we will go to the next neighbor. Then who is the neighbor of 100? Thousands place is the neighbor of 100 and this 1000 is having 5. So just we'll cut this 0 0 0 and we'll put here 0 0 0. Okay, now this 10 is having 1000 is having 5. So we will take one borrow from this 5, just cut 5 and 5 minus 1 4. So we will take one borrow from this 5. Now here at 100 place, now here 10 is there. So from this 10 we will take one borrow. Okay, so 10 minus 1, just cut this 10, 10 minus 1 9 and here 0 is there. So if we will take one borrow from this 100, this 0 will become 10. Okay, now at tens place here 10 is there. Okay, and here at ones place 0 is there. So we will take one borrow from this tens. So 10 minus 1 if we will do, 10 minus 1 9. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, now do the subtraction. At ones place here 10 is there and now here 2 is there. So 10 minus 2, after 2 count your fingers till 10. Yes, 10 minus 2 8. Okay, see the tens place now. Now here 9 is there, here also 9 is there. 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 0. See the hundreds place, here 9 is there and here 8 is there. 900 minus 800, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now thousands place is remaining. Here 4000 minus 1000, 4 minus 1. After 1 count your fingers till 4, 4 minus 1 3. So 5000 minus 1892 is equal to 3108. Okay, then after 15 the next odd number sum we will take, that is 17th one. Okay, read the number. What are the number in 17th example? 5002 minus 1835. So see students, first of all we will write their places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. See the ones place column. In the first number there are 2 ones and in another number there are 5 ones. 2 minus 5. Can we do 2 minus 5? No. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 5 and from smaller number we can't subtract greater number. So 2 minus 5 we can't do. So what we will do? We will just go to the neighbor and we will take one borrow from the neighbor. But see, at tens place here neighbor is having again 0. So what we will do? Again we will go to the next neighbor. Again this neighbor, hundreds neighbor is having again 0. So again we will go to the next neighbor. This thousands place is having 5. Okay, so this neighbor is having 5. So we will take one borrow from this 5. Okay, so just cut this 5. 5 minus 1 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will take one borrow from this 10 now. Okay, from hundreds place. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, now this 10 is having 10. Okay, tens place here 10 is there. Okay, so from this 10 we will take one borrow. Okay, he will give 1 to the ones place. So just cut this 2 and write as it is, and from the 10 we will take one borrow. 10 minus 1 9 and this 1 will become 12. Now see that ones place. 12 minus 5. Do the subtraction. 12 minus 5. Now you can do very easily. After 5 count your fingers till 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So we'll write 7 at ones place. Now see the tens place. At tens place in the first number there are 9 tens, and in second number there are 3 tens. So 9 minus 3, up to 3, count your fingers till 9. 9 minus 3, 6. So write 6 at tens place. See the hundreds place. In the first number there are now 9 hundreds, and in second number there are 8 hundreds. So 9 hundreds minus 800 is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So write 1 at hundreds place. Now thousands place is remaining. In the first number how many thousands are there? Yes, now there are 4 thousands, and in another number there are 1000. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So what will be the answer? The answer is 3167. Now after 17, which one is the odd number? Yes, 19th one we will take now. See the 19th one. What is the first number? The first number is 3000, and the another number is 2978. Write their places first. This is ones place, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousands place. See the ones place. Here 0 is there. Okay. So 0 minus 8 again we can't do. So we'll go to the neighbor. Now who is the neighbor of ones? Tens is the neighbor of ones. But see carefully, at tens place also 0 is there. Then what to do? Yes, we will go to the next neighbor. Who is the neighbor of tens? 100 is the neighbor of tens. See the 100 is also having 0. Then again we will go to the next neighbor. Who is the neighbor of 100? Thousands place is the neighbor of 100. Now this neighbor is having 3. So we will take one borrow from this 1000. So 3 minus 1 if we will do, here 2 will remain. Okay. And this 0 will become 10. Now this 100 is having 10. So we will take one borrow from this hundreds place. Okay. So 10 minus 1 we will, if we will do, here 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now take one borrow from the tens place. Now this tens is having 10. So 10 minus 1 again 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now do the subtraction. See the ones place. 10 minus 8. After 8 count fingers till 10. 9, 10. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So write 2 at ones place. Now see the tens place. Here 9 is there and here 7 is there. So 9 minus 7. 8, 9. After 7 count your fingers. 8, 9. So 9 minus 7 if we will do, again we will get 2. So we will write 2 at tens place. See the hundreds place column. In the first number now there are 9 hundreds, and in another number there are also 900. So 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Then see the thousands place. 2 minus 2. Again we will get 0. So 3000 minus 2978 is equal to 22. Okay. So now after 19 the next number is 21th. This 21st example we will take now. See the first number. The first number is 9462. What is the another number? The second number is 7967. So write their places. Ones, tens, this is 100 and this is thousands place. See the ones place. In the first number there are 2 ones and in second number there are 7 ones. So can we do the subtraction here? 2 minus 7? No, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because 2 is smaller than 7. So we can't do your subtraction. Then what to do? Yes, we will go to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of ones? Tens is the neighbor of ones. Now this neighbor is having 6. So we will take 1 from this 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and this 2 will become 12. Now do the subtraction. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, do the subtraction. After 7, count your fingers till 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 7 if we will do, we will get 5. So we will write 5 at ones place. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here 5 is there and here 6 is there. Again 5 minus 6 we can't do. Okay, then what to do? Yes, we'll go to the neighbor. Now who is the neighbor of tens? 100 is the neighbor of tens. Now this 100 is having 4. So we will take one borrow from hundreds place. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and this 5 will become 15. Okay, now see the tens place. Here 15 is there and here 6 is there. Do the subtraction. 15 minus 6. After 6, count your fingers till 15. 15 minus 6, count your fingers. Yes, 9. So we'll write 9 at tens place. Then we'll go to the hundreds place. See here, in the first number now there are 3 hundreds and in second number there are 9 hundreds. Again 3 minus 9 is not possible. So again we'll go to the next neighbor. Who is the neighbor of 100? Yes, 1000 is the neighbor of 100. So take one borrow from this neighbor. Now this neighbor 1000 is having 9. So we will take one from the 9. So 9 minus 1, just cut 9 and 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So we will write 8 here and this 3 will become 13. Okay. Now see the hundreds place. 13 minus 9. After 9, count your fingers till 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 9 if we will do, we will get 4. So write 4 at hundreds place. Then thousands place is remaining. See the thousands place now. Here in the first number there are 8 thousands. And in the second number there are 7,000. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So we'll write 1 at thousands place. So what is the answer? The answer is 1495. Okay. Now this 22 you have to solve by your own. See the 23rd number. First of all write their places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See the ones place. 0 minus 5. Can we do 0 minus 5? No, we can't do 0 minus 5. Why we can't do 0 minus 5? Because 0 is smaller than 5. Then what to do? Yes, just we will go to the next place. Okay, tens place. Now this tens is having 9. Okay, so we will take one borrow from this 9. So just cut to 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 and here 0 will become 10. Now see the ones place. Here 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. After 5, count your fingers till 10. Yes, 10 minus 5, 5. So we'll write 5 at ones place. Okay. Now see the tens place. In the first number, how many tens are there now? Now there are 8 tens and in the second number there are 7 tens. So do the subtraction. 8 minus 7. Where is it? Is 8 minus 7? 1. So write 1 at ones place. Now see the hundreds place. See this column, hundreds column. Here in the first number there are 0 hundreds and in another number there are 300. So 0 minus 3 can we do? No, we can't do 0 minus 3. Then what to do? Yes, we will go to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of 100? 1000 is the neighbor of 100. Okay, so we will take one borrow from the neighbor. Now from 4, if we will take 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here 3 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 3. After 3, count your fingers till 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Correct. So write 7 at hundreds place. See the thousands place now. In the first number now there are 3000 and in the second number there are 2000. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we'll write 1 at thousands place. Okay. So students, in this way we have completed question number A. From that question only today we have solved only odd number sums and remaining even number sums you have to solve by your own in the Canopy textbook itself. Okay. Now we are going to see the question number B. What is the question number B? Subtract and check your answer by addition. Now say students, here we have to do the subtraction and then again we have to check our answer by addition. Okay. See here the numbers are given in a horizontal way. So first of all we will put this number in the place value chart vertically. Okay, one by one we will solve. Now here also again 9 sums are there, total 9 sums are there. We will see one by one. Okay, now see the first number. What is the question? The question is subtract and check your answer by addition. First of all we will do the subtraction. Okay, see the first number is 4859 and the second number is 3669. 4859 minus 3669. So first of all draw the place value chart. This is thousands place, this is 100, this is tens and this is ones. Okay, leave one line for the borrow. First number we will put in the place value chart because this is the greater number. 4859 is greater. 4859. Okay, minus 3669 minus 3669. Do the subtraction now. See the ones place column. In the ones place here 9 ones are there and here also 9 ones are there. So 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, so put 0 in the ones place. Now see the tens place column. Here how many tens are there? 5 tens are there and here 6 tens are there. Okay, so 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 can we do? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 6. Then what to do? Just cut this 5 and write here 5 as it is. Then we will go to the neighbor. Who is the neighbor of tens? 100 is the neighbor of tens. So take one borrow from this neighbor. Now this neighbor is having 8. So 8 minus 1, here 7 will remain and this 5 will become 15. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 15 minus 6. After 6 you have to count your fingers till 15. So count your fingers. Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 6 is equal to what? 9. So write 9 at tens place. Okay. Now see the hundreds place column. Here 7 hundreds are there now and here 6 hundreds are there. So 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. So write 1 at hundreds place. Okay. Then we'll move to the thousands place. Now see here 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. Now we got the answer 1190. Now what we have to do? Just we have to check our answer by addition. Okay. Now we will check our answer whether it is correct or wrong. First of all tell me the students, which number is greater? Yes, this 4859 is the greater number. Here I will write in the short form. GN means what? Greater number. Okay. And this 3669, this is a smaller number. Okay. And this answer, it is called as difference. This is the difference. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to check our answer. So I will write here check. How to check the answer? Yes, in the last session I told you how to check the answer. Yes, to check the answer, do the addition of difference and smaller number. Okay. To check the answer, what we have to do? To check the answer, add the difference to the smaller number. So what is the difference now? Now the difference is 1190. Okay. First of all we'll draw the place value chart here also. What is the difference? The difference is 1190. 1190. Okay. Then what we have to do? Just add the difference to the smaller number. This is the difference. We have wrote the difference here. And what is the smaller number? The smaller number is 3669. 9. Just add 3669 in the difference and do the addition. Why? Because we have to check our answer whether it is correct or no. For that we have to do the addition. Okay. Now see the ones place. Always whenever we will do the addition or subtraction, always we should start from the ones place. Okay. So see the ones place, here 0 is there and here 9 is there. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, 9. Okay. Then see the tens place, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. So we will write 15, 5 here and 1 as a carry. Okay. See the hundreds place, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. And 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. So this was the difference. D means difference. This is the smaller number. Okay. If we add the difference and the smaller number, then we should get the greater number. Now see here, what was the greater number? 4859. And see this answer is also 4859. This is the greater number. Okay. After addition, if we got the greater number, then our answer is correct. So in this way we can check our answer. Okay. Then we'll see the next. See the next is third. We will see third example. What is the number? The number is 5432. This is the greater number. Okay. Minus 2345. This is the smaller number. First we have to do the subtraction. Okay. So we will do the subtraction first. Draw the place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Leave one line for the borrow. Put the value in the place value chart. First number is 5432. This is the greater number. Okay. So we'll write here GN. GN means greater. Then minus 2345. This is the smaller number. So we'll write smaller number. And first of all, we will subtract these two numbers. Okay. See the ones place. Here 2 is there, here 5 is there. 2 is smaller than 5. So we can't do here subtraction. Then so we will take one borrow from the tens. Now this tens is having 3. 3 minus 1, 2. And this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Now see the tens place. Here 2 is there, here 4 is there. 2 minus 4. Can we do? No, we can't do 2 minus 4. So what we will do? Just we will go to the neighbor. Now this neighbor is having 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to what? 8. Okay. Now see the hundreds place. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And at thousands place, here 5 is there, here 2 is there. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now this is the difference. Okay. D means difference. Now what we have to do? We have to check our answer by addition. So here we will check. How to check? Just add the difference to the smaller number. Okay. What is the difference? The difference is 3087. Put this number in the place value chart. Plus we have to add to the smaller number 2345. We will write here 2345. If we will add the difference and the smaller number, then we should get the greater number. Now we will see whether we got the greater number or no. Okay. See, do the addition. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 ones means 2 ones and 1 10. So we will give 1 as carry to the tens place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So we will write here 3, 1 as a carry to the next place. Then 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. See the thousands place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. See the answer is 5432. Now see here greater number is 5432. Means our answer is correct. Okay. So in this way we can check the answer. Then we will see the next fifth one. See the number. What is the number? The first number is 9000. and this another number is 6666. We have to do the subtraction. Okay, draw the place value chart and put this number in the place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. See, the number is 9000 minus 6666. Okay, see the ones place. Here 0 is there, here 6 is there. 0 minus 6 we can't do. So go to the neighbor. This neighbor is having also 0. Then again we will go to the next place. This 100 place is also, it is also having 0. Then we will go to the thousands place. Here 9 is there. So we will take one borrow from the 9. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then this will become 10. Now we will take one borrow from this 100. So 10 minus 1, 9, and this 0 will become 10. Again we will take one borrow from this tens place. So 10 minus 1 if we will do, here 9 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now see the tens place. Here 9 is there, here 6 is there. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And at hundreds place also, here 9 is there, here 6 is there. 9 minus 6 same 3. Thousands place, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, do the subtraction 2. So we will write 2 at thousands place. See, this is the greater number. What is the smaller number? This is the smaller number, 6666, and this is the difference. Now check the answer by addition. Check the answer. What is the difference? The difference is, write the difference in the place value chart. What is the difference? The difference is 2334. This is the difference. Now what is the smaller number? Smaller number is 6666. Now add these two numbers. 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. So 10 ones means 0 ones and 1 10. Now do the addition of tens plus numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, again 10. So here 0 will write and 1 will give as a carry to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, again 0. So here 0 and 1 will give carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. See, the number is 9000, which is a greater number. So our answer is correct. So in this way we can check the answer by addition. Okay. Now see students, there is one more question. Okay. What is the question? The question is, see question, find the difference between the numbers. Now what we have to do? Just we have to subtract. Okay. There are 4 sums. Only I will take 1 and remaining 3 you have to solve by your own, because this is very simple addition. The first number is 5020 and another number is 4532. Now see these two numbers. Which one is greater? This number is greater than this. So first of all we will write greater number in the place value chart. Okay. Draw the place value chart. What is the first number? 5020 and minus 4532. 4532. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 2. Again 0 minus 2, it is not possible. So take one borrow from tens place. Tens is having 2. So cut this 2. 2 minus 1, 1, and this 0 will become 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay. Now see the tens place. Here 1 is there, here 3 is there. 1 minus 3 we can't do. So we will go to the neighbor. Neighbor is having 0. Again we will go to the next neighbor. He is having 5. So we will take one borrow from this 5. This will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will take one borrow from this hundreds place. This is having 8. Sorry, 10. 10 minus 1, 9, and this 1 will become 11. Now do the subtraction. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, after 3 count your fingers. 11 minus 3, 8. See the hundreds place. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. and here at thousands place here 4 is there, here also 4 is there. 4 minus 4 0. So in this way you have to solve question number C. Remaining 3 sums you have to solve by your own. First of all what you have to do, just you have to see which number is greater. The first number is greater, so first you have to write the first number in the place value chart. Then after and there is one more number which is a smaller number, that number you have to write later on, one below the other, and then you have to do the subtraction. So today in this way we have completed our exercise 3.2. See students, from the exercise 3.2 we have taken only odd number sums. Remaining even number sums you have to solve by your own from question number A, and from question number B there are 3 more sums are remaining, that also you have to solve by your own. In the next session we are going to see the exercise 3.3 story sums. Okay, so till that time you have to solve remaining all the sums in your notebook. Thank you.